Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you guys how to change your Instagram job title or occupation on Instagram's profile. Whether you're updating your career or just want a fresh look, I'll guide you through it. So let's dive in. First, open Instagram on your mobile device. Then head to your profile by tapping the bottom right icon. Then tap on Edit Profile. And here scroll down until you see category. Tap the field and search for the job title or occupation. Once selected, tap on the tick icon on the top right corner. And there we go. But if you don't see a category option, make sure your account is set to professional by switching to a creator or business profile in your account settings. And that's it. Now you guys know how to change your job title in Instagram. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and comment down below if there is anything else I can help you guys with. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.